paycheck like a snowstorm because money piles up the same way snow does. You know how snow starts as tiny flakes, barely noticeable, and then suddenly you look outside and your whole yard is covered? That's exactly how cash flow works when you stop letting every dollar melt. A little saved here, a little invested there, a little debt paid down. It builds quietly, layer by layer. And then one day your whole financial landscape changes. So your next paycheck, let at least one flake stick. Savings, investing, or debt payoff. I'm Stephanie. Follow for simple financial wins that actually build up.